Saligao Vidhan Sabha Constituency is one of the 40 Goa Legislative Assembly constituencies of the state of Goa in southern India. Saligao is also one of the 20 constituencies falling under the North Goa Lok Sabha constituency. Members of Legislative Assembly. 1989, Wilfred D'Souza, Indian National Congress. 1994, Wilfred D'Souza, Indian National Congress. 1999, Wilfred D'Souza, Goa Rajiv Congress Party. 2002, Wilfred D'Souza, Nationalist Congress Party. 2007, Dulip Parulekar, Bharatiya Janata Party. 2012, Dulip Parulekar, Bharatiya Janata Party. 2017, Jayesh Salkayankar, Goa Forward Party. Election results. 2017 result.